The anti-farm bill protests are anti-farmer. They are the manifestation of two narratives. One, hatred for Modi and every single scheme he ever comes up with, and two, the age-old battle of communism with capitalism, the battle of delivering a choice versus dictating a command. On one, one just hopes Modi doesn't wake up one fine day and recommend breathing in of clean air, or these dunderheads will pick up axes in their thousands and begin chopping trees. The mind boggles. These reforms are not about PDS or MSP. Stop it. No government in history has provided better MSP than the Modi government. As he just pointed out this evening, UPA bought 1.5 lakh metric ton pulses at MSP. NDA in the same span, 2014 to 19, purchased 76 lakh metric ton at MSP. For oilseeds, UPA 3.6 LMT, NDA 30. Neither are these reforms about forcing farmers away from selling their produce through the existing corrupt system of bicholiyas and sarkari crime counters. Go right ahead and continue if you wish. It is about giving a man a choice. These are reforms promised and advocated by the Congress, and yet again Modi is fulfilling them and taking the brunt, ironically from Congress and its gamcha-wearing champagne socialist lapdogs. They want to have a choice provided to them on everything, from phones to cars to tractors they are driving in to block the highways, but they don't want the poor farmer, exploited since time immemorial by the middlemen and touts and the government, to have a choice on who to sell his produce or who to undertake contract farming with. Did you know MSPs are now transferred via DBT, except in पंजाब, where they go through the middlemen? दलालों को बचाते बचाते खुद दलाल बन गए और किसानों की जिंदगियां तबाह कर दी. But that's what socialism and communism are, Navika. Their single aim is to restrict or remove choices, to force people to follow an anti-Darwinian junk system that has only ever led to death, destruction and misery. Navika, for just 5 years in our 70 years independent history, we junked socialism. Who did it? The Congress, under P.V. Narasimha Rao. The 1991 reforms were all about providing a choice. Ambassador or Toyota, Bajaj or Honda, Doordarshan or Times Now. And we took it with open arms. Imagine if Twitter was available back then, all these Kongi and Komi Chauthi fails would have been trolling Rao. But the truth is, you cannot wake a person pretending to be asleep. There is a reason why the communist symbol is what it is. They want you to keep using those tools. But Indian farmers reject your archaic ideas and reject your archaic tools.